Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can crop your videos and your images in Final Cut Pro. Now to be able to do this, let's start off with an example of a video. What you need to do is you need to make sure you have selected the video that you want to crop. You can do this by just clicking on the video in your timeline, and then you need to come up to the top right hand corner where you have your property slider and click that to open up the inspector window. And then what you want to do is you want to go down to where it says crop. And as you can see, if we drag in from the left hand side and the right hand side, I am now cropping this image to whatever size I would like to crop it to. You can also come down to where the transform button is right here and click the drop down and select crop so that you can come in and drag it manually if you want to do some finer adjustments. But basically, once you have done that, you can go and click done and this will lock in your crop for you. And to do it on an image, it's exactly the same. As you can see, once again, we have selected the image that we want to crop. And if I drag in from the left, it's going to crop it from the left. If I drag in from the right, it's going to crop it from the right. But that's essentially how you can crop videos and images in Final Cut Pro. Hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.